Daily English expression. While you sleep. Day 13. Chapter 31. Making a dinner reservation. I'd like to make a dinner reservation for 4 people. Can I reserve a table for 6 people at 7 p.m. on Saturday? I'm interested in making a reservation for 3 people on Friday. May I book a table for 2 people at 6 p.m. for dinner? Do you have availability for 5 people at 8 p.m. on Sunday? I would like to reserve a table for 4 people for 7 p.m. on Wednesday. Is it possible to make a reservation for 7 people at 6 p.m. on Thursday? Can I reserve a table for 2 people on Saturday at 5 p.m.? I'd like to make a dinner reservation for 3 people on Sunday at 7 p.m. Is there availability for 4 people at 8 p.m. on Monday for dinner? Hi. I'm interested in reserving a table for 6 people on Tuesday at 7 p.m. May I book a table for 2 people at 6 p.m. on Wednesday for dinner, please? I'd like to make a reservation for 5 people at 7 p.m. on Friday for dinner. Can you help me reserve a table for 3 people on Sunday at 6 p.m.? I'd like to schedule a dinner reservation for 4 people on Thursday at 8 p.m. Hello. I would like to reserve a table for 2 people at 7 p.m. on Saturday for dinner. May I request a table for 6 people on Wednesday at 6 p.m. for dinner? I'm hoping to make a reservation for 3 people at 5 p.m. on Monday for dinner. Can I reserve a table for 4 people for dinner on Friday at 7 p.m.? Hi. I'd like to reserve a table for 5 people on Sunday at 6 p.m. for dinner, please.